Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Our lesson today is lesson 15.2, which is understand angles and unit angles. Again, understand angles and unit angles. In this lesson, we are going to know how to use what I know about fractions to measure angles. Let's start our exercise. Here we have exercise number 3. A circle is divided into 9 equal parts. This circle is divided into 9 equal parts. What is the angle measure of one of those parts? You need to find the angle measure of one part. You have to know that any circle, the measure of its angle is 360. Any circle, the measure of its angles is 360. So if you need to find the measure of each part, you have to divide 360 by 9. So we need to divide 360 divided by 9 because we have here 9 parts. 36 divided by 9 is 4 and 0 divided by 9 is 0. So the measure of each angle in this circle is 40 degrees. Again, this circle is divided into 9 equal parts. And we need to know what is the angle measure of one of those parts. In a circle, the measure of its angle is 360. So we need to divide 360 by 9. 36 divided by 9 is 4. 0 divided by 9 is 0. Another exercise, number 4. An angle turned through 2 over 8 of the circle. 2 over 8 of the circle. What is the measure of this angle? Here, our turn is through 2 over 8 of the circle. And as we know that any circle is 360 in degrees. So first we need to divide 360 by 8 first. 360 divided by 8 first. After that, multiply the answer by 2. How we can divide 360 by 8? By using long division, like that. Make long division. Write here 360 and write here 8 because the denominator is 8. So you have to divide 360 by 8 first. Can we divide 3 by 8? No. So put 0, take another digit, 36. Can we divide 36 by 8? Yes. So write table 8 as usual times 1 equals 8 times 2, I'm looking for 36. Don't forget, times 2 equals 16. Yes. Times 3 equals 24. Yes, also. Times 4 equals 38. Yes, because 32, sorry. 32 is smaller than 36. Times 5 equals 40. So 40 is no, because 40 is more than 36. So back here, back to 4, write 4 up, down 32, make subtract, 6 minus 2 is 4. And after subtract, bring down the next digit. The next digit is 0. So the new number is 40. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So 36 divided by 8 is 45. Don't forget to multiply 45 by 2 because we have 2 up. So it will be 45 times 2. 2 times 5, 10, 0 and carry up 1. 2 times 4, 8, and I have 1, 9. So 2 over 8 of the circle is 90. Here number 1. What fraction of the circle does a 120 degrees angle turn through? Here we need to find the fraction of the circle. So you have to divide 120 over 360 because the circle is 360. After that, make simplify. Cancel 1 0 with 1 0. 12 and 36. Both of them in table 12. 12 and 36, both of them in table 12. And also in table 2, and also in table 3, and also in table 4. But we are going to take the biggest number. So 12 and 36, both of them in table 12. So divide 12 by 12, and also 36 by 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 36 divided by 12 is 3, because 3 times 12 is 36. So the fraction is 1 over 3. So again, what fraction of the circle does 120 degrees angle turn through? We are going to make a fraction 120 over 360 because the circle is 360. Cancel 1 0 with 1 0. 12 and 36, both of them in table 12. So divided by 12 up, divided by 12 down. 12 divided by 12 is 1. 36 divided by 12 is 3. Number 2. Mike cuts a pie into 4 equal pieces. He cuts a pie into 4 equal pieces. What is the angle measure? Here I need to find the angle measure of each piece. So I will divide 360 because it's a circle, divided by 4 because we have 4 equal parts or 4 equal pieces. 3 divided by 4 cannot be because 3 is smaller than 4. So 36 divided by 4 is 9 because 9 times 4 is 36. 0 divided by 4 is 4. So 360 divided by 4, the angle is 90. The angle is 90. Another exercise. Here, number 5. Find the measure of each angle. The angle turns through 1 over 5. Here we have the fraction, and we need to find what the angle. So I'm going to divide first 360 by 5 by the denominator. After that, multiply it by the numerator. Let's find 360 by 5 by using long division as usual, like that. Write 360 here, divided by 5. Start with the left, which is 3. Can we divide 3 by 5? No. So put 0, take another digit. The new number is 36. Can we divide 36 by 5? Yes. So search about 36 in table 5 times 1 equals 5. Okay, it's smaller. Times 2 equals 10. Yes, smaller than 36. Times 3 equals 15. Okay, also smaller than 36. Times 4 equals 20. It's already yes, because it is smaller than 36. Times 5 equals 25. It's smaller than also 36. Times 6 equals 30. It's already smaller. Times 7, 35. Still smaller than 36. Times 8 equals 40. 40 is more than 36, so I can't take 40. So take this number, up right 7, down right 35, make subtract. 6 minus 5 is 1. 3 minus 3 is 0. After subtract, bring down the next digit, which is 0. Now the new number is 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. So we have 72. Don't forget to multiply 72 times 1, the number which in the numerator. 72 times 1 is 72. Another one, the angle turns through 2 over 5 of the circle. Here we have the fraction, and we need to find the angle. As usual, divide 360 by 5 first. Already I have it, 360 divided by 5, it's 72. So don't forget to multiply 72 times 2, because we have 2 up in the numerator. Here we have 1 up, so 72 times 1. But here we have 2 up. 72 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. The answer is 144 degrees. Another exercise. Here we have the fraction is the angle turns through 3 over 8 of the circle. This is the fraction. Step number 1, you have to divide 360 by 8 first. Divide 360 by the denominator, 8. Make a long division because it's not in the table of 8. 360 divided by 8. First, start with 3. Can we divide 3 by 8? No. So put 0. Take another digit, 36. Yes. Let's search. Times 1 equals 8. It's okay. 8 is smaller than 36. Times 2, 16. Also smaller than 36. Times 3 is 24. 24 is also smaller than 36. Times 4 is 32. Yes, it's smaller than. Times 5 is 40. No, because 40 more than 36. So back here, we are going to choose this part. Right up 4, down 32, make subtract. 6 minus 2 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Bring down the next digit, which is 0. The new number now is 40. 40 divided by 8, I can find it directly. It will be 5. So 360 divided by 8 is 45. Don't forget to multiply 45 by what? Yes, by 3, because we have 3 up. Don't forget. 45 multiplied by 3. 3 by 5 is 15. 5 and carry up 1. 3 by 4, 12, and I have 130. So the answer is 135 degrees. Here we have the angle turned through 2/6 of the circle. We have the fraction, and we need to find the angle. Step number 1, divide 360 by, yes, by 6. And I can find it directly. How come? Because 36 is direct in table 6. So it will be 360 divided by 6. Can we divide 3 by 6? No, base 0. Take another digit, 36. Yes, 36 divided by 6, I can find it directly. It will be 6 because 6 times 6, 36. So 6 by 6 is 36. After subtract, bring down. Bring down the 0, it's going to be up. So 360 divided by 6 is 60. Don't forget to multiply 60 times 2. 60 times 2, drop the 0. 2 by 6 is 12. So the answer is 120 degrees. Another exercise. Here, a mirror can be used to reflect a beam of light at an angle. What fraction? Here we need the fraction. And already I have the angle. The angle is 120. So you are going to make 120 over 360 as usual. Cancel 10 with 10. 12 and 36, both of them in table 12. So I will divide it by 12 up and also divide it by 12 down. So it will be 12 divided by 12 is 1. 36 divided by 12 is 3. So the fraction is 1 over 3. Another exercise. Here, the angle turns through 1/9 a circle. So step number 1, we need to divide 360 by 9. Step number 1, make 360 over 9. Can we divide 3 by 9? No, because 3 is smaller than 9. So put 0, take another digit, 36. 36 divided by 9, I can find it directly because 36 in table 9. So the answer directly is 4 because 4 times 9, 36. And don't forget the 0, put it up. So the answer is 40. Don't forget to multiply 40 by, yes, by 1 because we have 1 up. So the answer is 40 degrees. A circle is divided into 6 equal parts. So we need to divide 360 by 6 as usual. 360 divided by 6. Can we divide 3 by 6? No. Base 0, take another digit. 36 divided by 6 is 6 because I can find it directly. Don't forget the 0 will be up. So I will multiply 1/6, the fraction, by what? By 360. Multiply like divide the 360 by 6, no problem. 1/6 times 360, our answer is 60 degrees. The next exercise. Here, a circle is divided into 5 equal parts. So I will divide 360 by 5. First, to find each part. 360 by 5 already. We found it before in the previous lesson, as in the previous exercise. The answer will be, who can remember 360 divided by 5? Yes, excellent. The answer is 72. We already found it by using long division. So each part is 72. What is the total angle measure of 4 parts? We need 4 parts, not 1 part. This is the measure of 1 part. So we are going to multiply 72 times 4, because we have 4 parts. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 7 is 28. So the answer is 288 degrees. A circle is divided into 8 equal parts. Step number 1, we are going to divide 360 divided by 8. And we already found it before by using long division. 360 divided by 8, who can remember? Yes, it's 45. So now we need to, this is a measure of 1 part. What is the total angle measure of 4 parts again? So we are going to multiply 45 times 4. 4 by 5 is 20, 0 and carry up 2. 4 by 4, 16, and I have 2 is 18. So the measure of 4 parts is 180 degrees. We finished our lesson. I hope you understood this lesson well. Don't forget your online assignment. Have a nice day. Thank you.